Wednesday, sample topics and questions. Reflect on a topic. Ignite questions to inspire your research. How can your culture fuel your curiosity? How have we survived to this point in history? Chunk into pieces. For example, we can look to Hmong survival for inspiration. What problems have Hmong people survived? My name is Hmong. Call me Freedom. My name is not exotic. My name is Freedom. My people are worth more than eye candy and shallow praise. My people have no home, no country. We are from stolen territory. We are now sojourners in foreign lands, but we will not fit in the palm of a hand to be controlled. We live in resistance and die in resistance. We are offspring of genocide. My name is Jonathan Shia Yong. My grandma calls me Jonathan because I'm a gift from God. I am Shia, heart, because I have life. My heart is the highest. People say that I know how to love. My name is Shia. My name is my family. My name is Hmong. Hmong means free, and Shia, Shiab means heart, tall or high, life. Jonathan Shiab Young. I am passionate about free speech because people take risks around the world to speak out, like Jonathan Shiab Young. Free speech can be a catalyst for change. 3, I am fortunate to see free speech all around me. However, in some places in the world, people aren't allowed to see or experience free speech. Chew on it. What problems do teenagers face? The teenager suing the U.S. government over climate change. This is a really good video. Go ahead and play that. What's happening here? To find out, look for explicit and implicit meaning. When information is explicit, it is stated clearly. Name, age, suing government over climate change dangers. When information is implicit, it is suggested, but not directly expressed. From the video, it is suggested that the student had to research a lot. He believes he has the right to free speech, and he listens to other kids. Good researchers see how important explicit details in a text support the implied big ideas. It's explicitly about climate change and a teenager, but it's implicitly about free speech. To build knowledge, you want to read as much as possible, as quickly as possible. You read to get the gist of the topic or stance quickly. Do rapid reading so you're not getting stuck on tricky details or hard parts, and summarize the important parts of the text. Then read more and summarize again. Build background knowledge rapidly. Review. Look through the list of topics and articles from the last class to select a topic and a first article. Take notes on one article and post them to the discussion board. If you cannot settle on one of the offered topics, you may research a new topic in Newsela. Please email me at jacqueline.stocker@spps.org with a proposed topic and 3 article titles plus authors so that I can help you develop the topic. Information on Newsela if you want to explore other topics or more articles. Download the Clever app and Newsela app on the iPad. Open the Clever app and tap Login with username and password. Type the name of your school, then SPPS, Farnsworth SPPS. Sign in with Active Directory credentials. Click on the Newsela app inside Clever. Newsela app will automatically open be signed into your account. Please contact me and or go to FAUSELA 9:30 to 12:30, 2:30 to 4, or FAUSLib 11 to 12:30 if you can't access Newsela. Sentence starters. The topic I have selected is, my first article title is, the author's name is, it was published in, that's the website. 2 explicit details are 1 and 2. These details hint that the big implied implicit idea or main message is. Rubric 8. All sentence stems answered very well. 7. All sentence stems answered well. 6. All sentence stems answered. 5. 6 sentence stems answered. 4. 5 sentence stems answered. 3. 4 sentence stems answered. 2. 3 sentence stems answered. And 1. 2 sentence stems answered. 0 is no attempt. The topic I've selected is free speech. My first article title is, author's name is, it was published in Vice magazine. 2 explicit details are his name and his age. And these details hint that the big implicit idea or main message is even teenagers have a right to speak their mind in the U.S. Good luck, everyone. Take care.